Larry Madowo has revealed the Uganda tear gas is too harsh after he was hit while reporting in Kampala. The CNN journalist was covering an opposition rally led by Bobi Wine when security forces fired gas at crowds. Madowo shared video showing him choking during a live broadcast as police stood close by. He said even officers nearby struggled to breathe as the gas spread fast. The incident happened on December 15th, 2025, as tensions rise before the next election. Bobi Wine, whose real name is Robert Kyagulanyi, is challenging President Yoweri Museveni's role. His rallies are often blocked with force by police and soldiers. Supporters says the action aimed to scare voters and silence dissent. Thank you for watching City Media. Please subscribe, share, comment, like.